Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them, you need to scroll down and choose Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like microphone. Finally, just click on one of your apps, in my case camera, and select the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up and go back. As you can see now, camera no longer has access to my device's microphone. But you can always tap on the back button, click on one of those options and then select an app that you wish to manage. So I will go into Location in order to access Maps app. Then scroll all the way down and click on See All Maps Permissions instead. Finally, you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!